Hello, good morning, traders. This is Jake from JakeTheStockGuy.com. Let's get right into today's charts. I'm going to keep this short and concise. So I put today my watch list. Our watch list. It's our watch list. Disney 221. God, I'm gonna be so pissed if Datadog goes crazy. Um, let's see. Disney. Where is Disney pre-market? Is it up? Is it down? Okay, it's kind of flat. I like Disney for an entry here, and definitely something worth giving a try. It's worth taking a stab at this trade. Um, yeah, you know, there's your channel. 10-minute time frame. We don't have much time before the open, but I will get some Disney. I like where Disney's at pre-market. I think that's a good entry. Other times you have to wait. XPEV 222. That's 221. 50 coins. Let's see. What is going on with XPEV? Again, a little flat. Well, 20.29%. Excuse me. Um, we might get a kind of a similar like burst drop. I would have liked to have bought at the end of the day, but I'll just be patient and wait for this one. 50 strike price would be the my target. Also, I kind of like XPEV. Speaking of which, as a swing trade on the daily, on the year to date, on the daily, um, really good setup here, guys. I I like this trade a lot, and I was thinking about getting the two. What are the dates on this? Yeah, February 21st. Ooh, next week's. Um, well, really, let me think about this for a minute. We could get the. This is the end of the month. Well, not quite the end of the month, but this will be the end of the month. A lot of open interest in that strike price. But it's also kind of a good. It's a good name to swing. January, February, March. Did I look at the? Yeah, February 26th. 50 calls. So that's 1.6. And then let me look at the. Yeah, 8. 1.6. A lot of volume. The 21st, which is a week away. I think I'm gonna switch this to a swing trade and get the March 21st 50 strike price. We're gonna try and hopefully do one of these from here to here, you know, here. Well, what was this, November? December, so February, March. Could be at 75. What does the 75 strike price look like? Does it show it? Open interest. Yeah, the 50. Nice delta. Switch that date to. Can I edit on here? Anyway, XPEV, I'm going to switch that to 3. Yeah, March, January, February, March. So it's set to 321.50 call, 50 strike price. And then I was looking at Zillow as a day trade. If I go to the charts, let me go to 5-day. I think it just got a price upgrade to 218 by Webull. Excuse me. Oh. Something kind of like that. And this is a good potential day trade. You have to be patient on these. You can check the 5-minute too. Let me see. Sometimes like on Tilray, yeah. Yeah, this could be good at the open. Yeah, this could be really good at the open. Let's see. Z is a possible day trade. 10-minute time frame. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, maybe. Maybe. I want to look at the 5-minute really quick. Yeah, it's kind of holding that 5-minute. Could be one of those nice bursts above 190. We'd have to just watch this 5-minute stochastic and RSI. We get kind of around that 80 area. But I do like this this ticker Z. I've traded Z a couple times. I've made good money on it. Ah man, what are the options? I wonder what the for the February 12th. I can't stop yawning, guys. Yeah, 200. It's going for the 200 today. So I like Z as a day trade. It would go kind of like Zillow as a day trade, Pinterest is a possible day trade, and then the rest of these are swing trades. Disney is not really a swing trade. It's more like it expires next week, so I really wouldn't consider that a day trade. So it's like because earnings, so it's kind of like an immediate trade this week. So don't go too big on this one. Always with the risk management, guys, you need to keep your position sizes the same. I'm still in AVYA, FEYE, LAC, and NEO, which is this week's trade. SFIX, which I think is up like a 1 point something percent last time I checked, and WBT. These are leap years. The WBT and the AVYA, they won't expire until next January. So we got plenty of time on these guys. Almost like just ignore, like forget these exist. Like don't even pay attention to them. I'm gonna see how far these can go and how far you can take it, and probably won't exercise or close my positions on those two till probably till close to January, sometime in December and January. We got to be really patient sometimes with this stuff. It's a really delicate balance. But yeah, you got to be patient. Got to be really patient. SFIX will be a good one. So will FEYE. I'm excited about those. Don't get nervous. Keep your position sizes really small. 1 to 3% your portfolio. Okay, and just believe in your trade idea. I do a lot of research, a lot of homework to find these trades. And once I press that buy button, I'm committed. I'm not gonna sell for a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50% loss. I'd rather lose 100% and be wrong than lose 50% and be right. Remember that. So, and I try to wait and sell on good strength. I like to buy weakness and sell strength, which is kind of counterintuitive, you would think, or it's psychologically counterintuitive. So I hope that, hope you got something out of that. I'll just finish this up. We'll go through pins, see where pins is at right now. A nice gap up on I don't know what the news was. Did Elon tweet about Pinterest again? But nice gap up. It's funny, guys. Remember we traded this last Friday. We had the 90 strike price, and we bought down here on the dip. I was expecting it to rip, and I should have just got on that Friday next Friday's 90 strike price, because then we'd be good. Because it looks like it's going for the 90. So it's like I'm always right. I wanted a nice good Friday lotto trade, but I guess it happens. So Pinterest, I'm watching. It's got a mighty fine gap window to fill. So on the 10-minute, let's see what it looks like. I hate buying shit like this, all maxed out, stochastic. RSI buying calls. It's like the fastest way to lose money. But yeah, I'm gonna, pins. I don't know. I have to come back to that one, revisit it. It's not a top trade for me this morning, out of the gate. Z is. Disney is. I'm watching Z. I'm watching Disney. I think uh, as far as the opening bell when the market opens, we've got a good point of entry uh, on both of these. Well, we'll see. Yeah, I gotta wait. Gotta wait on Disney again. Just really, it's a lot about patience, guys. Like patience, patience, like sitting, waiting, waiting, and then striking when when that moment is right. So uh, I'll go basically through my watch list this morning, and like Disney went green. What's SPY doing? I know that the futures were up last night. The ESH1, yeah. It's always just, I swear to God, it's always just buy the close, sell the open on SPY. Buy the close. Well, this one didn't quite work, but buy the close, sell the open. Buy the close, sell the open. Again, I mean, how many times do you want me to show you this? Buy the close, sell the open. Buy the close, sell the open. It doesn't always work, but man, it works a lot of the time. Buy the close, sell the open. Buy the close, sell the open. Anyway, uh, that's what I got for you guys today. This trade right here, I'll leave it on this. Lastly, GT. This is a super swing trade. You know, I these calls don't expire until 2023. So that's 2 years. No, almost 3 years away. But I've never really tried to take a 3 year long swing trade, with options. It's kind of I'm venturing into new uncharted territory. It's kind of grueling actually, because you're like, fuck, I don't want to hold this thing for I don't want to wait 3 years to get paid. It seems like a nightmare, but at the same time, I get it. A lot of us, when you're young, you're impatient. You know, you want action. You want results now. But I think it's a good. I think it's a good mental experiment, and you never know where something. You never know where a stock could go in 3 years, especially with it being a $17 strike price, a little out of the money. And there was some really weird, unusual options activity in that name. So that's all I got for today, guys. Let's have a good day, okay? Your fearless captain is here. Nothing to fear. I love you guys. Let's have an amazing day. And God bless. See you on the charts.